Welcome to AI Beat, where we track the pulse of the artificial intelligence revolution. The age of AI experimentation is over. The age of deep institutionalization has begun. The developments over the past 48 hours paint a clear picture. AI is no longer a tool that organizations are simply testing. It is now being woven into the very fabric of our most critical institutions, from government and healthcare to heavy industry and scientific research. The theme for July 30th, 2025 is the deliberate and strategic embedding of AI into the core operating system of our society. Let's begin with how AI is physically manifesting in our world, moving from the cloud to the concrete. In a major step towards the long-held dream of autonomous robotics, the Amazon-backed startup, Skilled AI, has unveiled a new general-purpose AI model specifically designed for multi-purpose robots. This is a critical development. Instead of robots that can only perform one repetitive task, this model aims to give them versatility and adaptability, allowing them to learn and operate in complex, dynamic environments. This is the brain that will power the next generation of automation. Now, connect that startup's vision to a global industrial giant. Siemens is actively expanding its presence in China's AI ecosystem with a specific priority on integrating generative AI across its core divisions, manufacturing, energy, and building infrastructure. This is AI being put to work on the factory floor, in our power grids, and in the management of our cities. It's a powerful sign that enterprise adoption is moving past back-office tasks and into the operational heart of heavy industry, promising immense gains in efficiency and innovation. And beyond the factory, AI is even being put to work in our natural environment. Carnegie Mellon University is pioneering the use of generative AI in the battle against invasive plant species, a novel application that showcases AI's potential to help solve complex ecological challenges. But the most profound integration of all is happening in the one area that affects every single one of us, healthcare. We are witnessing a monumental push to leverage AI to solve intractable problems. A stunning new development shows the integration of generative AI with advanced brain monitoring. This isn't just about reading data faster. It's about using AI to find subtle patterns in complex neurological signals, potentially leading to earlier diagnoses and more personalized treatments for brain conditions. This deep dive into healthcare is being driven at the highest levels. The National Institutes of Health, or NIH, has outlined a strategic plan to leverage generative AI to advance its massive data initiatives. This means using AI to synthesize and analyze vast, complex biomedical datasets, a task that would be impossible at this scale for human researchers alone. The goal is to accelerate the pace of discovery across the board. This vision is already moving toward clinical reality. Dartmouth has joined a new national center on AI and mental health, and as part of this effort, a generative AI psychotherapy chatbot is set to undergo formal clinical trials. This is a crucial milestone. It moves AI therapy out of the App Store and into the rigorous, evidence-based world of medical validation. If successful, it could revolutionize the accessibility and affordability of mental health support for millions. This deep integration into our physical world and our most critical institutions is now being mirrored within the government itself. A new report from the Congressional Watchdog, the Government Accountability Office, has found that the use of generative AI is escalating rapidly across U.S. federal agencies. They identified hundreds of new use cases, showing a widespread push to integrate this technology into public sector workflows for everything from data analysis to decision making. AI is officially going to work for the government. This rapid, widespread adoption creates two immediate and urgent needs. First, the need for guardrails. The conversation around ethics is becoming more focused and more critical. Underscoring this, a free AI ethics summit is being held today, featuring pioneers in the field like Robin Rowe. These are the forums where the essential questions are being asked. As we embed this technology everywhere, how do we ensure it is deployed responsibly, safely, and for the benefit of society? Second, this adoption creates a massive demand for a skilled workforce. To meet this need, we are seeing new, focused educational programs emerge. In Philadelphia, a new partnership has launched a comprehensive training program in generative AI, aiming to equip individuals with the skills necessary for this new economy. This is the grassroots effort required to ensure that the AI revolution doesn't leave people behind. And finally, the engine that powers this entire cycle, fundamental research, continues to be a priority. The University of Texas at Austin has just received renewed funding for its National Science Foundation AI Institute. This sustained investment is critical as it fuels the next generation of discoveries that will eventually become the applications we see in our hospitals, factories, and governments. Looking back at the developments of the past 2 days, the narrative is unmistakable. We are past the initial hype cycle. What we are witnessing now is the quiet, deliberate work of weaving artificial intelligence into the very operating system of our society. It's in our government agencies, our national labs, our industrial supply chains, and our healthcare system. The challenges of ethics and employment are immense, but the momentum of integration is undeniable. AI is no longer just coming, it is being built into the world all around us. Thank you for tuning in to AI Beat. Join us next time as we continue to track the developments shaping our world.